car's way before my time. Check it out. Not bad looking. Everything's pretty much original. This is a 1937 Master Deluxe Chevy. Way before my time. And I just completed putting one of those Air Raid Sirens. And just wiring it up here for this guy. And as you can see, it's got the siren, it's got the solenoid, a heavy duty solenoid. Going to tap into the power there with the alternator or power, and then from that point on it goes on to a switch. But here's the setup. Stay tuned to see what it sounds like. I'm going to show you how loud it is. Button's right there. Still got to mount it. I'm going to let that customer do that. And that's it right there. Still propelling. Got a heavy duty electronic solenoid with a 30 amp fuse tied into the source, alternator source, 12 volts. And then it wires up to that button you just saw. I'm also changing the headlamps. Well, the headlamps are going to stay the same, but the parking lights, and this is a curb light. I think there's another name for it, but it shines towards the curb so the driver can see. But anyhow, I'm going to customize, take the old socket out. Take the old socket out and put a new socket, and I have to do some cutting. Well, there you have it. All three of them got a custom socket and a bulb. Way before my time, I tell you, man. This is something else, though. It's really mint condition. But anyhow, this is what my day goes, and it goes like that. Okay, signing off. God bless.